How to fix Xbox app error 0x80070422 in Windows. Fix the error occurred while launching Xbox. In this video I will show you 3 easy steps to fix the problem. First, check your Windows PC updates are up to date. If any update is available in here, just update it. Step 2. Open Settings. If Xbox is missing from apps and feature, then do this step to access Xbox app setting. Click on Repair and try to launch Xbox app. Step 3. Open Start and type Microsoft Store. Open Library. Click on Get Update and select Update All. After update, launch your Xbox app and your problem should be fixed. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.